Number 5, low attendance rate from the development team. Probably always the same members from the development team who participate. The problem is that the fewer the number of participating development team members is, it also reduces the level of transparency. A reduced level of transparency on the engineering side may result in a flawed inspection of both the product increment and the product backlog as well. It may also result in an inferior adaptation of the product backlog. The issue is that you actually cannot enforce the team's participation in the sprint review either. I mean, you can't drag them to the sprint review. They need to be intrinsically motivated to do so. They need to be motivated to participate in the sprint review. You're just ordering them will not deliver this either. The only way out of this, in my experience, is that you make it interesting enough so that everyone from the development team is interested in participating.